And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. James Anderson grabbed a career best 7 for 42 as England completed a 9-wicket win over the West Indies inside 3 days of the third test at Lord's to seal a 2-1 series victory.
If the second test belonged to Shea Hope and Craig Brathwaite, then the third belonged to England seamer Jimmy Anderson, who created history at the home of cricket to help England secure a series win. The match went into today's third day evenly poised, with the Windies at 93 for 3, a lead of 22 runs in their second innings. But lots would have been depending on Roston Chase and Shea Hope to build a solid partnership for the Windies, but that didn't happen as Chase was first man out without adding to his overnight 3. Anderson then removed Jamaican Jermaine Blackwood shortly after in a quick 2-wicket burst to further dent the West Indies' chances of setting a challenging target. Wicketkeeper Shane Dowrich tried to spend time at the crease and ended up making his highest score of the series of 14, but was eventually dismissed trying to pull one from Toby Rowland Jones. And when Shea fell victim to Jimmy Anderson for a top score of 62, all hope was lost for the Windies team. Captain Jason Holder offered some resistance, making 23, as the Windies were dismissed for 177, setting England a target of 107 for victory. Anderson secured career-best figures of 7 for 42 to wreck the Windies' batting. The task turned out to be all too simple for the Englishmen, who lost only the wicket of Alistair Cook, who was trapped in front by Devendra Bishu, a rare sighting from him with the ball. Tom Westley, 44, and Mark Stoneman, 40, saw England home at 107 for 1. Windies captain Jason Holder was, however, proud of how his side performed throughout the series.
Overall disappointment. I think we've got a lot to be proud of. I think the credit must really go to the bowlers. After the Headingley Test match, we asked for another big effort. The way we came out in the first innings and we bowled, I think at the start of this Test match, if we said we were going to get England out for 170, I would have taken that. And obviously Shea was outstanding in this entire series. We must not forget Craig's contribution as well. I think Craig really did a hell of a job, especially in Headingley. Unfortunately, we didn't get more batsmen to carry on. Lots of us got starts, but not really carrying on. And we let ourselves down probably in the field in this entire series. We dropped quite a few chances and gave good players two opportunities to bat, which in international cricket they will make you pay for it. So I'm extremely proud.
Meanwhile, England captain Joe Root says the 2-1 series win will serve his side well heading into the Ashes series later this year.
Been great. We played some really good stuff this summer. 2 difficult weeks, but I think what's most pleasing is the resilience and the character that we've shown to come back from both of those with 2 extremely strong performances. And I think those learnings and in the manner that we won after that is great to see ahead of what's going to be a very challenging winter. And along with that comes great opportunities. So if we can continue to have the same approach, keep wanting to get better, keep learning, then we'll be in a good place.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.